The steel industry is at a turning point, facing rising supply chain disruptions while creating the next generation of business. New plants must be designed faster, safer, and greener. Existing plants must modernize without hindering production. The choice? Greenfield or Brownfield. Whichever you choose, Virtual Twin is the real game changer. Greenfield projects offer freedom to design entire plants with integrated steelmaking routes, energy-efficient blast furnaces, and state-of-the-art rolling mills. But they demand high capital, long lead times, and complex delivery. Brownfield upgrades leverage existing converters, casting machines, and rolling stands, along with experienced crews. But risks loom. Downtime of critical equipment like blast furnaces, hot strip mills, or coke ovens can cripple production. Integration, safety constraints, and the need to add new low-carbon processes, such as hydrogen DRI modules, make the challenge even greater. Powered by the 3D Experience platform, DELMIA helps steel producers tackle both challenges head-on. Thanks to virtual twins, they can model integrated steelworks for optimal flow, from iron making to rolling. Simulate construction of blast furnaces, electric arc furnace, or hydrogen-ready direct-reduced iron units. Plan retrofits around bottlenecks. Test safety and commissioning virtually before live operation. The result? Predictable capital expenditures, faster ramp-up of production lines, safer upgrades, and measurable sustainability gains. For engineering, procurement, and construction partners, it means integrated planning across steelwork, machinery, and utilities, with smarter resources and lower risk. For plant owners, lower costs, faster production, and higher availability of key assets. Brownfield sites can extend asset life and decarbonize with hydrogen DRI. Everyone benefits from a single source of truth, where engineering, procurement, and operations work seamlessly from concept to commissioning. Whether it's Greenfield or Brownfield, every steel project has its challenges. But with virtual twins, complexity turns into opportunity.